Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my dear students of class 10. As you know that we have completed our first main textbook, that is the first flight. We have completed all the chapters from that textbook. Now today we are going to start the new textbook. It means second book from your syllabus, that is the Footprints Without Feet. As you know that in this textbook we have 3 chapters left. First, the making of scientists. Second, that is the head driver, and third, it's a body. So students, today we are going to start the chapter number 9, body. So students, as we have seen that every time we are discussing about this chapter and who is the writer of this chapter. So students, here it is given, see chapter number 9, body. Here it is given, see chapter number 9, the title of this chapter is body. Who is the writer of this lesson is the K.A. Abbas. So before its explanation, before its summary, I would like to tell you about the writer of this lesson. Who is the writer? K.A. Abbas. So students, let's see first of all about the writer. Here it is given, it is about the writer. Students, here, who is the writer? Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. His full name is Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. We are telling him is K.A. Abbas. His full name is Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas was born on 7th June 1914 and died on 1st June 1987 at the age of 72. He was born in Haryana, Punjab and died in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So students, here we can imagine this how he transferred himself from the Haryana to the Mumbai. Here it is given because his occupation is just showing these things how he just transferred himself. See students, here Khwaja Ahmad Abbas was not only a writer, he was a poet and also we can say the director, film director, screenwriter. He was also novelist, journalist and columnist. See here students, he was not only a writer, he was a poet, a novelist and especially he was a great, we can say, a filmmaker. It means he was director. Students, here it is about, we have talked about the writer. Then he had written many books like 20th March 1977, A Day Like Any Other Day, Indira Gandhi, The Last Post. So, like that only, another movie he made, the title of that movie is Do Bund. In this movie, students, the hero was Raj Kapoor. So, he worked with the Raj Kapoor also. Many movies he made because he has just given his contribution in film industries also. That's why he got International Film Award also in his life. So here students, we have talked about K.A. Abbas, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, who is the writer of this lesson which is given in our syllabus in our textbook Footprints Without Feet. And as you know that the title of this book is this title of this chapter is Body. Before that, I would like to tell you the character sketch of this chapter. Who are the characters in this lesson? Students, it is given here. So, here we will see the characters. Wait a minute students, I am just telling you here the characters of this chapter. Who are the characters? Here it is given. First, Sulekha. What is the name of this girl? Sulekha. But the people are calling her as Bholi. Second one is the fourth daughter of the Ramlal. She is a very simple and foolish girl, hence called Bholi. Second character is Nammadar Ramlal. Who is the Ramlal here? The father of 7 children. 3 sons and 4 daughters. Nammadar means an officer who collects revenue. जो तलाटी हम बोलते हैं ना, गांव का तलाटी जो होता है वो था. So Ramlal was the revenue officer also. Third is Radha. Mangala, second daughter of Ramlal. Champa, third daughter of Ramlal. Tehsildar Saheb, a tax officer accompanied with revenue inspectors. The school lady teacher, very loving, affectionate and patient teacher, a teacher with all real values. And last one, Bishambai Nath, a well-to-do greedy grocer. He is old as Ramlal but wants to marry with Boli. So here students, we have talked about the characters of this chapter. Boli. Here students, we have talked about the writer and we have also talked about the characters of this lesson. Now, next is Boli. See here students, I would like to tell you what is Boli and Sulekha. Who is this both? Here students, it is given, as you know that Boli is a name of a little girl whose real name was Sulekha. So Boli or Sulekha? Question mark is there. How Sulekha transferred her name as Boli? What was the reason behind it? So I would like to tell you students in this summary. Boli or Sulekha, what we have to call it as. Here students, it is given. Boli. Who is the Boli? A simpleton. Simpleton means what student? A child. Any other or outsider will come in her life or they will treat with her and make her fool only. They will cheat with her. Right? So a simpleton, we can say that an innocent girl. Boli is a Hindi word. Its meaning given here in English, that is the simpleton. So Boli was one of the little girl who was very innocent, we can say, not that much intelligent, smart. People will cheat her very easily. So it is called simpleton. Affected by smallpox in childhood, fell off the coat and perhaps damaged some parts of brain, poke marks on entire body, look ugly due to the same reason, so remained neglected and backward. This all points we'll discuss now in summary students here. So before that, I would like to tell you what happened in Boli's life. See here students, here we are going to start with summary. Ramlal was there, one of the village was there. In it, Ramlal, and he was living with his own family. In his family, 7 children are there. He has 7 children, his wife. Now what happened? He had total 7 children, 3 sons and 4 daughters. And the Boli was the 4th daughter of Ramlal. What happened? Boli, when she was just 10 months old, she fall down from the bed. Bed के ऊपर से गिर जाती है. And because of that fall, she damaged her own brain. उसका brain damage हो जाता है. Now see what happened. Then after, here, when she became 2 years old, what happened? She suffered from one of the disease. And the disease was smallpox or chickenpox. You people know that, right? Chickenpox, right? जो पूरी बॉडी के ऊपर ब्लैक स्पॉट्स हो जाते हैं और वो जो स्पॉट्स है उसके वो जल्दी से नहीं जाते. So here, this girl suffered by smallpox. Pock marks हो जाते हैं उसकी पूरी बॉडी के ऊपर. So here means when she was 10 months old, she fall down and her brain damaged over there. It means students, she was become mentally weak, and after getting this disease in her life, she also physically become very weak. So mentally and physically, both way, she was very weak. She was not good looking girl because of that smallpox happened to her. Now, what happened? One day, then after what happened, she started to speak over there when she became 5 years old. As we know that Ramlal had total 7 children, 4 daughters and 3 sons. They allowed the sons to go to take As we have seen that in the characters, Ramlal had 4 daughters, Radha, Mangala, Champa and Boli. Radha already married. Mangala they settled with someone else. Champa left to marry, but these 3, Radha, Champa and Mangala, these three daughters were very beautiful, good looking. So they had not that much difficulty happen over there to find for that girls bridegrooms. उनके लिए दूल्हा फाइंड करने के लिए इतनी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई. But these parents worried about this little girl whose name is Boli because she was neither very good looking nor we can say the intelligence, physically also not good looking and mentally also. So that's why they worried about it. Now, when Boli is 7 years old, that time what happened? One of the Tahsildar, as we have seen in the characters, he came in this village and he just declared that we are going to start this school for the daughters in this village. Now see what happened, students. This revenue, Ramlal was the representative of that village. So Tahsildar told to Ramlal that you should allow your own daughters to go to school over there. So then only you will create the example for the villagers of this village. And then they will inspire from you. Ramlal, he was worried about this, what to do now next. So he talked with this matter to his wife. His wife, in the first reaction, she started to cry over this. She was crying a lot. And what she said, if we will allow them to go to school, so who will marry with our daughters? This happened, students. Boli was very innocent. She was also crying there. She did not know because her mental age was not increasing, her physical age was increasing over there. Now, then what happened? Here, these 2 husband and wife, they both all night they thought about this matter. And finally, they took the decision. Her mother told her father that, to Ramlal that, we will send the Boli to this school. Because Champa is very good looking girl, we will get easily her husband. But we will not get this girl. So we will send the Boli to this school. We are giving this girl to the teachers. They will worry about this girl. So Ramlal finally decided to send this Boli to this school. See, here Boli was going to school like the other daughters. Now, Boli ab bari ho rahi thi. In this school, as we know that student, in this whole world, one person is there who can change the life of the students. That person is only and only teacher. One of the lady teacher was there in this school who worked there. She observed her very well, and what happened here? That the teacher inspired her. That teacher felt that courage in the Boli's life. And now day by day, Boli was just growing up and she became very young, and the time came to change her life. Right? अब Boli इतनी बड़ी हो गई जो उसको मैरिज करने के लिए उसके पेरेंट्स ज़्यादा बोल रहे थे. Finally, one groom came there. He was same age he had like the Ramlal. That person wanted to marry with Boli. Boli की डबल एज का एक पर्सन उसके साथ मैरिज करने के लिए आया. Ramlal accepted that offer because that person was very wealthy. He did not worry about this girl, but he was happy because that person was very wealthy, and he thought that Boli will be settled over there. See, दिन आ गया Boli की मैरिज का. अब क्या हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? This person who just came there to marry with the Boli, this person had kept some demand over there. उसके पापा को उसने बोला कि मैं Boli से तभी मैरिज करूंगा जब आप मेरे गले में सोने की चेन डालें. Her father cried a lot. He was requesting to that person who was just going to marry with the Boli. But Boli was observing this all. She was just listening everything, but at the time what happened? So it means here how this girl had got that much courage and inspiration in her life. She was bullied only. The people were making her only fool. And how here this reaction happened by this girl. So in this lesson here students, we can say that this is only a story where we can get this little girl changed her own name and she got her own identity here as a Sulekha. She was not a bully over there, she was the Sulekha. By giving people, the people were giving him only a name as the Sulekha. So students, here we are stopping this here. We have completed the summary about the writer of this chapter. We will see further explanation of this chapter in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.